Guys, I'm back again, and today I'm going to show y'all how to put on these magnetic eyelashes. Alright, so from the bin store they come sealed, ready to go, so we're going to take them out. These are these. And this is what they look like. I'm going to do some eyeliner first. Oh boy. Oh, that's my mascara thing. Let's put this one out. Here we go. So you have your eyeliner that is magnetic. That's going to help these guys stick. Alright, I'm going to use my selfie light that I got from the bin store. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's not gonna be pretty, but we're gonna try. All right, we're gonna pick the fluffy ones. Oh boy. All right, my eyelashes that I'm picking. Got it all over my face. Oh, would you look at it? I think I need a little more eyeliner, but y'all, they are sticking. It is sticking. You see that? That looks good. I need to put a little bit more eyeliner on them and they will work. I'm not good at it because I don't know how to do this, but oh, that looks good. If y'all remember from last week, got my bin store lipstick on today, my fake eyelashes. So guys, come see us. $6 at the bin store. Hey guys, hope y'all had a good time. Don't forget to go check out our other videos.